on all social media platforms. Share with Love TV for your cooking.
Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you're watching me from. Today is another cook with me video, guys. I want to cook pepper soup, egusi pepper soup, not just the hungry me this morning. And that's okay. What I will do, me I just cook small egusi pepper soup, okay? All this now, waiting, I want to cook the pepper soup, egusi pepper soup, okay? What I will do now, I'll just start to cook the chicken and the shrimp together, okay? Please make una like the video, okay? Make una share out the video for me. I thank everybody where they watch my video every day, every time, and for people who still they share my video out. May God bless every one of you. Thank you so much. I appreciate every one of you, okay? Let's cook the chicken. Okay, I'll put my pot for fire, then I'll come pour the chicken inside. I'll add the shrimp joiner, make everything cook together, okay? Then I'll come add my salt and Maggi. Me I add small of it, okay? I don't use all of them, finish. Then I'll come stir and turn a little bit. Me I turn a little bit, me I mix them together. Then I'll allow me steam a little bit before I'll add my water. I'll add water to it, okay? All right, guys. Now I'll come add water. Come add water. Then cover and back again. Make it cook. Then while the meat they cook, me I'll come fry. I'll come go fry my. I'll toast my egusi. I want to toast a little bit, okay? Before I'll blend her. Okay, me I'll pour my egusi inside the pot. I'll come let her toast for a little bit. Now this one, if you toast her, it will bring out the flavor, okay? It will bring out the flavor of the pepper soup, egusi pepper soup. I'll just make sure you turn out, because if you leave and it will burn, make sure you turn out. This egusi, the time when they bring and come for me for Africa, okay? I can't wash and well. I can't dry and for sun, okay? I don't need to wash the egusi anymore. I don't already wash my egusi. I can't dry and for sun, okay? Because you know, say many hand don't touch them for where they sell them. But when I get them, I can't wash and well. I can't use sun to dry them, okay? You see the toast. I make sure I say they turn now, okay? Because you don't want me to burn. May just toast a little bit. I like if I want to use cook egusi pepper soup, I like to toast my egusi, and that way you go the flavor go dey sweet well. Not let her burn, no. Okay, that's it. Okay, you see, it don't okay like that, okay? The next step for me now to go use hot water to wash my dry fish. Then I can blend the pepper, the egusi, the pepper soup spice. I can blend everything together. Okay, my people, I don't put the tomatoes, onions, dry pepper and crayfish inside the blender, okay? I'll come pour my pepper soup spice inside. I like, yeah, blend everything together, okay? I blend that day here. Okay, I'll put more water. Then I'll cover her. I'll come blend that together. Okay guys, the pepper don't blend, but I can't add my egusi inside. Then I'll come blend that together. Okay, egusi dot blend, okay? Egusi dot blend, I'll come out. Then I'll keep on side. Let's go check on the meat, okay? Let's go check on the chicken. Okay, my people, let's check on the meat. The chicken. Okay. Then they cook well. Now, I can't add this my dry fish. I don't already wash them, okay? I already wash everything. I can't add my small anytime joiner. Then I'll come put this one inside. Make for give her another flavor, okay? Then I'll add water. And I'll come stir a little bit together. Okay. I'll let them cook a little bit before I can add my blended egusi, okay? I'll cover and make cook before I can add my blended egusi. Alright guys, let's check on the chicken. Okay, smelling good. Now it's time to add now I can add my blended egusi. I'll come turn, okay? Then I'll come add my native Maggi. Okay, native Maggi. I'll add and put. Then I'll cover and make cook. Alright guys, let's check on our egusi pepper soup. Ooh, looking good and smelly good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Mamma mia. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. Now, I'm going to add my oven baked tilapia. I'll just put it like this. I'm not going to break it. Okay. Then I will just add the rest of the Maggi and salt. Okay. It's looking good, my people. The food is smell good. Okay, I'll cover it now. I like to cook till it is ready, guys. All right, guys, let's check on our soup. Oh, we'll see. Oh, more. Hey, the soup is giving pepper soup egusi. Okay, let's taste for salt and everything, whether Maggi, everything correct. Akbabala. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Soup is ready. Oh. Our egusi pepper soup is ready, as you can see. The next step for me to make starch. Now, starch now will take download this egusi pepper soup, okay? Let me go and make starch, guys. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. I appreciate every one of you. If you are new to my page, please don't forget to like and follow my page, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you guys.
Social media platforms. Share with Love TV for your cooking, vlogging, viral gist